In this Google Analytics regular expression tutorial, I'm gonna tell you how you can use Carets in your reports and find more useful information that will help you optimize your website elements and your free and paid campaigns. For that, we will choose page title because it is more relevant. We will show example of SEO. For example, to perform search engine optimization on the website, we have the website name appearing at some instances before any keyword, and at some instances at the end of the title. If we use Caret and write website name and click search, let's see what happens. Unlike multiple results, it only shows you 3 pages that has the title in it. If we remove it from here, let's see how many views we have. Unlike 279 views, you have more than 3000 views. If you are optimizing your website, you can check what are the traffic and what is the ranking based on your keyword. Let's try with digital marketing. We put Caret and write digital, and let's see what difference does it make. How many pages start with digital? Here you see only these 4 pages start with digital marketing. It doesn't show if it is marketing in digital or it is social media and digital. After Caret means whatever it starts with the digital, the first character or the first word is digital, that will be shown in the report. It is useful if you have thousands of pages and you want to optimize for search engines for specific pages, or you need to find performance of fewer pages, you can use that. Let's remove this and find another example. Suppose we have e-commerce and we have e-commerce business. We put Caret, write e-commerce and see what are the results. So we have 2 pages that says e-commerce or start with e-commerce. Now we remove this and see what are the total views. In this case we have 38 views. Now when we search again without Caret, we get 73 page views. So it means half of the views are coming to the pages that have e-commerce word in the beginning. This means you can optimize for your search campaigns accordingly, and you can find many other creative ways how you can optimize for your free and paid campaigns.